Let's try the good old Wikipedia. Wikipedia is, I think pretty much everyone has used Wikipedia before. Wikipedia is like the website everyone uses for searching stuff. Oh, so it automatically searches Bing. Okay. Again, Bing is not fitting on the page. Here it is, first link. This is why I like Google better, you know, it's like not falling off the screen. Now even Wikipedia has scripts that are too big to fit on the resolution that is viewing thing. Wikipedia so far has been the best viewing page. I'm surprised by this Wikipedia most reliable website when you're using Windows 3.1 today. That's all I have to say. 10 megabits per second network card? I guess it's not that slow. Seen slower. I've used dial-up. You know, when you only get like 50 kilobits per second, yeah, dial-up's slow. So you can read articles on Wikipedia, maybe do Google search for something on Wikipedia, because I can't find the search thing on the website. So we go back into Google and do like Windows 3.1 Wikipedia. And we're doing a Windows 3.1 search. Oh, okay. Now we have Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, and we're searching for this. Now we have the Windows 3.1 viewed up on here. Lead section may not adequately summarize your key points of the content. Please consider expanding the lead to provide an accessible overview of all important aspects of the article. Yeah, they're using PNG images again. That's the one thing I can't view. I can view everything except PNG, you know, like JPEG and GIF and bitmap. Okay. Okay, back down here. It's opening a new page. Okay, initial release 1992. Last stable release 93. That's what I'm using. Yay! Okay. And it was the next one after it was 95. So, you can read the whole article here about what you're using in the operating system you're using. Bunch of add-ons like 32-bit disk access and stuff. And of course, it always came with the regular stuff, you know, like Minesweeper, you could play that on here, Game of Pipes. Yeah, stop using PNG images. Okay, Wikipedia, yeah. So, web test. Did Windows 3.1 pass the internet browsing test? I would give it out of 10 about a 3. I'd give it a 3 out of 10 for browsing the web. And now it's frozen. Not responding, just scrolling down the page. Not doing anything but scrolling down the page. Stop scrolling. Stop scrolling. Okay, I'm probably just gonna cut this. Okay, now Internet Explorer finally closed. Now, all those Windows games. Of course, there's always Solitaire, Minesweeper, Hearts, but you need a network to play Hearts. Alien Force is a game I found. Pipes, which is also another game I got that's not standard. Bang Bang, a little cannon game. And then there's Lunar Lander, which only works on a CPU slower than Pentium 100. Yeah, anything above 100 megahertz, this won't work. I have 133, so kind of useless. Just floats in midair. Uh, my record for solitaire, yeah, 10 minutes. So for games, I can find a bunch more because I have this little CD with 256 games and stuff I can play. And there's also all the DOS games you can play when you exit or maybe go into like the DOS prompt. Good old-fashioned file manager with 32-bit disk access. You know, personally, I actually like this better than the one that I have now, standard, because it's a little easier to navigate with like the drives up here, and then you have like the directory tree and the main folder. Like if they added a few updates to this, it would actually be pretty good for modern Windows to use. And then there's always the write.exe, which is about the equivalent of WordPad. Okay, so you can write stuff in here, change the font size and different fonts and stuff. Then there's Paintbrush. Draw a nice little beautiful image. Notepad. That's a standard with every version of Windows. Sound recorder. Oh, and media player. Windows Media Player. This is what it looks like in 3.1. Let's see if I have any files I can open. Let's look for WAV files. Chimes. Yeah, so I have the Windows 3.1 boot sound. So it works. I can play WAV files. Just like hold my speaker here. So yeah, that works. It's playing simple WAV files. And then there's the calculator. Pretty fancy. Then clock. Analog and digital. And yeah, I also have my programming in Quick Basic and everything here. So Windows 3.1 is not useless. It can still be used today. You may find it hard to browse the web and do some stuff like that. So I would advise you get something a bit newer, like Windows XP. That's a good operating system. Graham, remember this. Graham recommends Windows XP. There. That is your lesson for the day. And I think I'm going to end off my video now with a quick game of Alien Force.